Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice writing more expanded form and putting the numbers in the different places on the place value chart. So this is our little house. And so if we take the number 75, there's 7, T stands for 10, O stands for ones, 75. So 70 plus 5 equals 75. So let's try 43. We're not going to use the 100 column very often, and we're definitely not using it today. So you don't need to worry about the H for hundreds. Let's just put the tens and the ones together. So 43. So the expanded form is 40 plus 3 equals 43. Okay, let's try 82. 82. 80 plus 2 equals 82. Okay. Two more numbers. We have 96. So listen to what we said. We said 90. So we do 90 plus 6 equals 96. Good. And one more, we have 27. 27. And then what do we have first? 20 plus 7 equals 27. All right, excellent job today, boys and girls, with your expanded form. Give your Rocket Math on the back some practice, and then turn your paper into your teacher.